Vacuuming to waste is a simple and effective way to remove heavy debris without clogging up your filter. We'll show you how, using a Hayward sand filter. Start by following your usual vacuuming routine. After your vacuum hose is attached to the skimmer, turn the pump off and move the multiport valve to the waste setting. Switch the pump back on and begin vacuuming as you normally would. Keep in mind that everything you vacuum will bypass the filter and exit through the waste line, so you'll lose some water in the process. That's expected, and it's part of what makes this method great for clearing out heavy debris. When you're finished, return the valve to the filter setting, unhook your vacuum equipment, and turn the pump back on. And that's it, a clean, straightforward way to vacuum to waste without overloading your filter. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more pool care and maintenance tips from The Great Escape. See you next time.